So take me to Rare Bird Distillery. We're down here at Talbot Yard in the heart of Malton. If you need to get a taxi down here, you might need to get a taxi back from here once you've been in and tasted some of their amazing gins. Pop down and have a look. We'll take you in there for a quick look round now. Come on, let's go and take a look. Rare Bird Distillery is North Yorkshire's original gin school. Pop down to their shop at Talbot Yard and pick yourself or treat somebody you know to a bottle of gin. Why not book yourself on to one of their gin school sessions? You can book online at rarebirddistillery.co.uk. Included in the sessions includes a distillery tour, tuition and guidance. It lasts about 2.5 hours and you also get a 70 millilitre bottle of your bespoke gin. Of course, there's a couple of complimentary G&Ts thrown in. Make sure you get a taxi home though. So if you're popping down to Talbot Yard and are popping into Rare Bird Distillery to taste some of their fantastic gins, make sure you book a Take Me Malton station taxi to get you home safe and sound. Enjoy maybe coming down and doing the distillery experience here, using Florence, their distillery. Create your own gins, who knows? Anyway, what a fantastic place.